Is the sheer idea of a DIY bathroom renovation enough to put you off? Well, it shouldn't be. Believe it or not, taking on your own bathroom renovation is fairly easy, providing you know what to do. The basic rules to follow are: measure your space, determine your budget and stick to it, compile a list of everything you need, and consider your plumbing and electrical fixes. It really is that straightforward. And shopping for your bathroom products is just as straightforward here at Ross's Discount Home Centre. We have everything you need to complete your DIY bathroom renovation all under the one roof. From showers, screens, baths, toilets, basins and vanities to tiles, tapware, accessories and even grout. It's all in stock and available at favourable prices to meet your DIY budget. With a warehouse in Guildford and free online shipping to Perth Metro, we aim to make your renovation process easy and affordable.